Welcome to this video on Salesforce Revenue Cloud, a comprehensive solution designed to streamline your entire revenue lifecycle. Let's explore how this platform empowers businesses. Salesforce Revenue Cloud is a powerful management tool that simplifies quoting, pricing, contracting, billing, and revenue recognition. By automating the revenue lifecycle, it boosts sales efficiency and ensures financial accuracy for faster business growth. This solution includes several key components, such as product catalog management, configure price quote capabilities, a robust pricing engine, contract and order management, billing management, and automated revenue recognition. Revenue Cloud offers specialized types of management, including Salesforce CPQ for quoting, contract lifecycle management, order management for fulfillment, and subscription management for recurring billing models. The benefits of using Revenue Cloud are significant. It enables faster deal closures through quick quotes and automated approvals, ensures revenue accuracy with reliable billing and reporting, and drives productivity through comprehensive process automation. While powerful, implementation can be complex due to detailed configuration and integration needs. Furthermore, successful adoption requires robust training and effective change management to ensure teams adapt to new workflows. Effective management of the revenue lifecycle involves several key roles, from sales representatives and managers to revenue operations teams, billing specialists, contract managers, and administrators. Each role plays a vital part in maintaining the platform's performance. These roles, including sales representatives, sales managers, revenue operations analysts, billing specialists, contract managers, and Salesforce administrators, work collaboratively to leverage the system's full capabilities. In conclusion, Salesforce Revenue Cloud is a comprehensive, unified platform. It streamlines operations, improves business efficiency, and drives sustainable revenue growth by simplifying complex processes. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact us via phone, visit our website, or email us at info@hopeinfotech.com.